So today I'm going to talk about some not so secret whittling techniques. You know, there are a lot of videos out there talking about the basic cuts when you're just starting out as a whittler. And there are some things that many experienced carvers do without thinking about them. So they don't mention it to you. So I wanted to mention it. And so we'll start with some basic slicing and cutting techniques. So first of all, I'm just going to make a little stop cut here and say, remember that at a microscopic level, the edge of this knife is very much like a saw. And so what you will maybe not see unless you look closely is that many whittlers and carvers will make a forward or backward motion as they slice through the wood. This makes it easier to slice. Here's a backwards motion. See that? You can do a forward motion. You can use your thumb like a fulcrum and turn the knife blade. So try that. You know, don't just set your knife down and push it forward. Give it a slice. Next, I want to encourage you to ride the ridges. And what I mean by that is it's a whole lot easier to cut through less bulk wood at the same time than if you're just trying to take a flat surface here and slice into it. That's very difficult. But you see that ridge? That's very easy. It's less wood, right? And every time you make a slice like that, guess what? There's 2 new ridges. So just continue riding those ridges. Make it easy for yourself and easy on your knife. And next, I'm going to say, use your belly. That's right, use your belly. So let's say we have a stop cut here, right? You want to stay on the belly of the blade. That's going to be your sweet spot. You don't want to use the tip of your knife when you're coming up to that stop cut. Use that belly like this. If you do use the tip, bad things can happen because you can come up here and that tip will dig in, and next thing you know, you've gone right through that stop cut. So use your belly. And the last thing I want to say is, working with wood grain can take a while to learn. It's something you just pick up, and after a while as a carver, you can touch the wood basically and hear and feel that resistance, and you know you're going in the wrong direction based on the wood grain. But you do want to carve downhill. So think about that for a second. These grains of wood are running long ways this way. So if I was going to carve in this direction, I would carve downhill, and if I was going to go this way, I'd be carving downhill. It makes it a lot more effective for you, okay? So there you go, some really quick basic techniques that you can use for whittling. And again, when you're slicing, forward or backward motion will help you a lot. Ride those ridges, right? Use the belly of your blade when you're slicing up to a stop cut, and carve downhill.